So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield on your Acer laptop. First, you'll need to shut the laptop down. So let's shut it down. Now after it shuts down, wait a moment. And then, after it fully is off, press on the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F2 key on your keyboard. That will go to the BIOS setup. Now you're in the BIOS setup. First let's go to boot, and you'll need to enable secure boot. But you can see we cannot just go into that. I can't go into that. So you'll need to go to security first. Then hold on a second. Okay, so you'll need to set the supervisor password first. Make sure you won't forget it, because without it you won't be able to enter the BIOS anymore. So make sure you don't forget it. Enter a new supervisor password. It can be something simple so you don't forget it, but now go to the right to boot and you'll see secure boot. Now you can click on enter and set it to enabled. Then click on F10 to save and exit and click on enter to select yes. Let's do that again because it didn't do anything. Okay, I think it's restarting right now. So after the laptop restarts, you will be able to play Battlefield now. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.